Let's view the system communication and data flow through the service channel when an operator changes a shared view on their client, and the change is immediately reflected on other clients using the relevant shared view. When a user changes the content of a shared view, the Smart Client sends information about the updated view to the management server using HTTP on port 80 for a Windows or Active Directory user, and using HTTPS on port 443 for a basic user. The management server stores the configuration settings in the SQL Server on port 1433 using HTTP. The management server then contacts the service channel with the updated information on port 80 using HTTP. The service channel then sends notification of the updated view to other Smart Clients on port 80 using HTTP for Windows and Active Directory users, and on port 443 using HTTPS for basic users. When the Smart Clients receive notification, they retrieve and apply the new view, again on port 80 using HTTP for Windows and Active Directory users, and on port 443 using HTTPS for basic users.